just have a look at this image. So as you can see, if I have to zoom in, so you can see the full edge of the website. Now if I have to, again, you can see, scroll down to the end, you will notice that the full website has been captured within a single image. Well, actually I have captured it using this website called tinywow.com, and the tool is called URL to JPG, and you can see that to PNG or PDF, you can use any of them. But you can also use this extension called Awesome Screen Recorder, and then a screenshot. It's just going to take a scrolling screenshot of the entire website. But let me tell you that there is actually another method that you can simply go ahead and use it to take the full advantage of this feature within the Google Chrome or the other browsers that are based on the Google Chrome. Okay, just right click on here and choose inspect element or inspect, and by default it will be like this. Okay, by default it will be like this. Sorry, let me just put that into the right side. Okay, by default it will be like this. From here you can just simply click on these three dots. You can see that more options, it is selected. Just click on that, and below you can see that there is the option of the capture screenshot and then capture full size screenshot. If you click on that, it's going to just simply take a full size of the screenshot and give it a moment, and then it's going to save the image directly within your system. So as you can see, now it has started downloading the image, and you can see the size is 9.5 megapixel. Just click on the folder where it has downloaded, and now just simply click on it, and you can see it has actually managed to download the image without using any type of tool. That it has actually captured the image. Now you can always go ahead and adjust the size from here. You can see that there is, by default it is in the responsive mode. You can always use the any other iPhone or cell phone devices that you have in mind. This way it's going to capture the image without you have to using any single tool or using the tinywow.com to just simply converting a website into an image. I hope this video was helpful to you. For now, have a nice day and goodbye.